Gaga? Gaga?
Gaga, can you sign my tour?
Don't worry, I'm not going to vomit again. I don't think there's anything left in there. So, I wrote this song. It's brand new. And it's called Princess Di.
Have a real problem. So,
Is this going to be really so hard now?
well, you complained before that it was
Okay.
like it was about moisturizer and tweezers.
Well,
So
it was.
so now so now